Hello kids, welcome to Muffin Kids channel. I am letter A. Where is my apple? Here letter A, I am here. A for apple. I am letter B. Where is my ball? Hi, I am here. B for ball. I am letter C. Where is my cup? I am here. C for cup. I am letter D. Where is my doll? I am here. D for doll. I am letter E. Where is my eagle? I am here. E for eagle. Hey kids, I am letter F. Where is my frog? Hey F, I am here. F for frog. Hi kids, I am letter G. Where is my gorilla? Hi letter G, I am here. G for gorilla. I am letter H. Where is my hippo? Here letter H, I am here. H for hippo. I am letter I. Where is my insect? Here letter I am here. I for insect. I am letter J. Where is my jelly? Here letter J, I am here. J for jelly. I am letter K. Where is my kangaroo? Woohoo! Hey, letter K, I am here. K for kangaroo. I am letter L. Where is my lion? Hi, letter L. Your line is here. L for lion. I am letter M. Where is my moon? Hey, letter M. Your moon is here. M for moon. Hey kids, I am letter N. Where is my nest? Hey, letter N. I am here. N for nest. I am letter O. Where is my octopus? Hi, letter O. I am here. O for octopus. I am letter P. Where is my penguin? Hi, letter P. Your penguin is here. P for penguin. Hey kids, I am letter Q. Where is my quail? Hi, letter Q. I am here. Q for quail. I am letter R. Where is my rabbit? Here, letter R. I am here. R for rabbit. I am letter S. Where is my sheep? Here, letter S. Sheep is here. S for sheep. I am letter T. Where is my turtle? Here, letter T. Your turtle is here. T for turtle. I am letter U. Where is my unicorn? Here, letter U. I am here. U for unicorn. I am letter V. Where is my violin? Hi, letter V. I am here. V for violin. I am letter W. Where is my wolf? Here, letter W. I am here. W for wolf. I am letter X. Where is my X-ray? Here, letter X. I am here. X for X-ray. I am letter Y. Where is my yellow? Letter Y. I am here. Y for yellow. I am letter Z. Where is my zebra? Hi, letter Z. Zebra is here. Z for zebra.